Welcome to Step8Up Academy Skills Bootcamps. This program is fully funded, making it completely free for anyone looking to accelerate their career in technology.
And it's been great. I've really enjoyed the process of learning how to code.
So I joined the bootcamp because after about 15 years in catering, I decided that it's not really going anywhere. So I kind of wanted to do a bit of a career change, following my passion, which would be technology and doing coding and computing.
You might be a job seeker. You might be changing careers, or maybe you're returning to work after a break. Whatever your path, this bootcamp is fully funded for you once you clear the application process. In 2025, our bootcamps now run for 12 weeks. That's just 3 months of guided remote live training. You'll receive hundreds of hours of structured learning, full accreditation at UK Level 4, dedicated job support every step of the way. And here's our commitment to you. We don't get fully compensated until you land a job. Your success is our mission.
I think the point is that everybody has been met where they needed to be met. I think I've been supported really well. I think it's completely exceeded my expectations.
This program is funded by Hampshire Council. We also accept learners from other parts of England, especially if there's no similar course nearby. Since it's fully online, you can join from anywhere. Don't wait, apply now. What will you learn?
Done HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, Python, Django. We're doing React. There's so much to remember, and it is a boot camp, so it is really intense.
We also focus on soft skills and real-life projects, so you can showcase your work to employers with confidence. You'll build your presentation skills, boost your confidence, and become more employable. We're looking for job seekers, career changers, or anyone ready to commit with a can-do attitude. Our best learners often come from all industries, especially those with a passion or background in programming, whether formal or self-taught. If that sounds like you, we're here to help you level up.
So it is a boot camp. It is really intensive. You have to put in the time. So you can't just do the sessions. You have to do the sessions and the work that comes with it to stay up to date with everything. So you're expected to really put the time in to get it. And if you do, then you get rewarded because you keep up with and you learn loads of stuff.
This isn't for you if you're just testing the waters or looking for a stopgap. If you can't commit time for practice or attend the lessons, this may not be the right program for you.
There's no point going, oh, it's really easy, it's nice and casual, I can just pick it up when I feel like it, because it's just not true, is it?
It's not something that you can just dip in and out of. You have to really, really give it everything to get through. It's 16 weeks of really intensive work.
What does a typical class look like? You'll start with pre-course videos and PDFs to help you prepare. Each week follows a schedule with theory, lots of hands-on practice, and support through office hours. You'll work both in teams and individually. We also bring in guest speakers, recruitment partners, and tech employers to share insights and connect with you. All of this with plenty of fun and engagement along the way. Our learning portal is available on all devices, and learners get a dedicated Slack group with channels for training support and job support. Who are our trainers? They bring decades of experience in technology, soft skills, and the industry itself. You can even watch trainer intro videos right here on our website.
The trainers have been exceptionally supportive, always asking if people need help, and always stepping in when people get stuck. And I've enjoyed feeling like I'm achieving. Week on week, I feel like I'm improving.
We're here to make your journey enjoyable, supported, and smooth, so you're in good hands. We're proud of this program on 3 levels: the intent behind it, the way it's delivered, and the lasting impact it creates. The British Computing Society has accredited this course, and we have been visited by Ofsted twice, once as providers and once as a supplier. With our high standards and dedicated trainers guiding you every step of the way, you can be confident in achieving great results.
Last question then, would you recommend Skills Bootcamp?
I definitely would recommend it. It's a lovely experience to go through, and plus it gives you a good opportunity to have a great career change.
So, what are you waiting for? Fill out the application. We'll review your documents, guide you through an online assessment, and share your results soon. If you have questions, just reach out academy@step8up.co.uk. If you're serious about building a career in coding, this is a fantastic opportunity. But you do have to be committed. Take the next step to accelerate your career. Apply now